Hey everyone, today we're going to be taking a look at this dimple lock here. This is one of the locks that West Coast Picks sent me. It is actually a 9 or 10 pin dimple lock with 4 laser sliders. So it should be pretty difficult to get into. This is my first lock with sliders, and you can see the thing does work, and it does have a sidebar. There's the packaging for it is a Heng Yang. Yeah, there's the branding of it. Backside, yeah, I definitely can't read any of that, guys, so why bother? Alright, so let's see if I can't get this open. Now, I have picked this lock once, and I kind of felt that it was a fluke. But we'll see if I can't recreate that. Okay, so I'm going to go with that pry bar there. It fits pretty good. Just a regular tension wrench. And I'm going to go in with a one of my Honest Dong picks. It's a left flag that I've modified just a little bit. And I'm not going to call out my pins because I don't think I could quite reliably. Got a little click out of that pin. I think I might be trying to pick a piece of wording here. Okay, got a nice click out of the 5th pin on that side. Okay, got a click out of the 4th pin on that side, and then wind up getting my pick stuck. Okay, got a little click there. Got a slight turn on the core. Oh, shit. I got it open and I didn't even pick those sliders. Okay. Well, I'm going to accept that as a win. maybe when I was going back on this side of the lock here, maybe I accidentally brushed the sliders in place. Well, let's gut this thing and see what's inside of it. It's got a standard clip, which is easy to remove with a screwdriver. And, you know, I'm going to gut this thing with the key because it has the sliders and everything. So you can definitely see that it is picked. Okay. Some of these cheaper Chinese locks take shortcuts. Okay, that ought to be good and centered. Oh, and there the slide bar fell out of the bottom, or sidebar fell out of the bottom. Okay, not a big deal. That sidebar doesn't even have any teeth on it, so let's go ahead and move him over. Set him there. So there must be only one gate in that sidebar. So let's go ahead and try to dump maybe the key pins first. There's pin 1 and 2, 3, 4, 5, and 6, 7, and 8, 9, and 10. So before I go with these finger pins, let me kind of get these arranged. Okay, so there's our 10 key pins. All right, now let me go ahead and pull the key out. And I can remove these fingers. Let's see here. Okay, they do just slide quite easily. There's the finger for 1. There's the finger for 2. 3, and 4. Okay, so let's go ahead and show you the plug. You see all 10 key pins holes there. Nothing unusual. And then there's the sidebar location and the where the finger pin slid out there. So let's go ahead and look at the top of the lock. Let me go ahead and move these finger pins all the way up to the top too. Kind of keep from confusing me there a little bit. So I've got pin 1. And I assume these are all standards. I did not feel any security pins in here. 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, and 10. I'm not going to bother dumping the springs out because I don't have room for them on here. So let me get this sidebar moved over here. Show you the springs. Okay. So give me just a second to zoom in for you. And here's what we have in this lock. We've got the 10 key pins all standards, and they are kind of staggered. So 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. Same way with the key pins. There is our fingers, and you can tell there's only one gate in those fingers, and it is quite a wide gate. It's quite a bit wider than the sidebar, it looks like. But there's the sidebar, and when those are all aligned, the sidebar will just snap right down in there, and there's quite a bit of flop there. So, not a real high security lock, kind of a knockoff, but there's a lot of people out there that would rather break this lock than try to pick it. So, there we go. West Coast Picks, thanks for sending me this thing. It was a pretty interesting lock. I've definitely never seen anything like it. And yeah, quite fun. Everyone else, please stay safe. Don't do anything illegal. And as always, please like, comment, and subscribe.